I was crashing down, barrel of agony, say the least. But then I was saving now. It's just